Want to finally have an editing tool that is available to all staff and figure out how to best use it? So do I. Why not come and join us for our season finale where we give you a fun end to this amazing school year. I'm Jordan Nahr, and this is your weekly upgrade. Here we go. A great editing tool for all your content is finally available district-wide. That's right, the OCDSB has now given us licenses to WeVideo, a web-based program that is very robust and is where you can edit all your content and also give you a library of footage to use as well. It offers screen and camera recording, multi-track editing, even edit separate audio and video tracks. You can export to Google Classroom, and you can even create your own WeVideo classroom where you, as a teacher, can track progress of your students. It's an amazing program that also has an extension and a phone app too. Want to find out how to use it all? Well, have we got the place for you. That's right, we'll train you up so you're ready to go, and not only with WeVideo, but also so many more options of incredible workshops, all done by the training and support team. Just click the link in the description below to get yourself registered. They run all through the summer from July 5th to August 18th. If you've already registered, you should be getting a Google Meet link today and once a week till your workshop begins. And now lastly, I thought it being the finale, I would gather up all my strength and swallow my pride to have you watch a few bloopers from my attempts to look professional. Enjoy. First, to use it, anyways, have a great day. I had it. Just remember, if you want a copy for each, that was high. Copy.
The words are right here.
Oh, there they are. I see them. This is perfect, especially, can you go back, sorry.
Did you say especially?
I did.
Especially.
Well, that's it today for week. Well, that's it. That's all. Oh my gosh.
That's it. That's all.
That's it and all. This week in your week.
Let's look in your old
This folder, other than the color, will Chaw's issues. Chaw's issues. Don't forget, you can add anyone as a co-host in your co-host. We display some snooze. Oh my gosh, already. This week in your weekly upgrade, the VLE is not only known. All right. To take advantage of the ability of, sorry, it's the word ability. Ow, can you do it again? Bit my tongue. I can't sneeze on target. Maybe I'll find something I'm sneezing. Thank you for that. Talk about being more productive now. Talk about being more productive. Talk about being more productive. The more I say it, the worse it gets. The summer sorry, can you go back? And I hope you're doing well. Whoops. And it looks like filled with chocolate is, I need a piece of chocolate. Or give me a handful. So what I'm gonna do, go in frame?
In frame.
There, oh my gosh. Now go back to the main calendar page. Go back to the, Oh, now you're moving the shot.
Shoot.
Move it back.
You winking at me or?
No. Well, today's weekly upgrade episode is now, oh my goodness.
Is that fun?
And you recording?
I'm recording.
It says recording?
It says rec.
Let's wreck it. Well, that's it for today's weekly upgrade. Have a wonderful summer. Hopefully we'll see you in the summer workshops. And remember, stay safe, travel with joy, and rest up as best you can. You deserve it for all the hard work you do. I also want to give a huge shout out to our training and support team that helps build this content to make it amazing for you guys. A huge thank you to all you incredible viewers. We'll make sure season 3 has even more upgrades that will always help you out with your tech and put a smile on your face. Till next time, have a great day.